So there's 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 2 are to do with the cap. That is the cap. Don't know what that is yet. I've got this one. That means front chain ring. That means 3 rings, triple ring. And that means with a chain guard. The cranks are 170 millimeters. (1,916 grams). That's it in pounds. Left crank, 170 millimeters. It's a bit greasy, which is good. There's that plate thing. It stays on with 2 fixing bolts. Triple ring with a chain guard. Hollow take 2. Triple ring, 30, 39 teeth, 50 teeth. Hollow take 2. I need to loosen these, but there's the idea. If you're looking to identify the cranks, it's usually on the inside. The left one fits the 3000 or the 3030 because it's the same crank for both of them. But this one's fixed on the chain set, so I don't think you can change that. Around 1.105 kilograms. That's it in pound and ounces. I don't know what it means. You get the left crank cap cover too. I think this goes in there, but I'm a bit confused at the moment because there's 2 things. My last one didn't have 2 things. Triple rings for road bikes are pretty hard to come by now. I mean, this one I had to buy from Germany. It was the only place I could get it. And I bought mine for the main reason to fit a pedal assist sensor. And this is my first go at seeing if it's going to fit. And it is going to fit with the adapter. I think it'll go like that. And then, so I'll need to take these screws out and screw this in. Although it looks like it might just go like that. But yeah, it might. I don't know, I'll need to see. I'll try that first. People with pedal assist sensors for Holotech 2, you're told to put it on the chain set side, but you'll need a ring as small as this for it to go on, because most of the 2-speed and the likes are too big. They're usually up here, they're fixing bolts. You need this inner ring, sort of. This one, it looks like I'm going to make it with this, but I might not even need that. I'm going to try first. Just like that. And see. You know what I mean. I don't know how I'd measure this because there's 5 bolts. So none of them are really going together. But they're about, say, 7.5 centimetres apart. Something like that. But this comes in a bit. So, yeah, if you've got a pedal assist sensor and a Holotech 2, you're really wanting to be the rings pretty small. I ordered this from Hitbike Germany and it was a bit weird because I ordered it 2 months ago. It said it would take about 2.5 weeks, and straight away after I ordered it, I couldn't use my bank card on the site. I had to use PayPal, So I don't know if they get the bank card disabled. Maybe that was a clue something was going to go wrong. But I immediately got a booking for a carrier to, you know, saying they're going to send it. I got a tracking number and all that. But then the next day I didn't get any, it's on its way or anything like that. I'm not even sure I got a receipt, but really I got nothing. And I didn't ask them for about 2.5 weeks, which was a bit stupid. But nobody replied to any of my emails. This is me ordering through the website, although I use PayPal. So eventually I made a dispute in PayPal. And after that, I almost instantly get a reply saying there's been a delay in getting this part, and it would be sent within a week or something like that. And it did. They did send it. It took about a week it took about a week for them to get the part, they said, and then it took about a week to get delivered. So if you look at Hitbike Germany on Trustpilot, lots of people are having the same problems. It's really weird because they seem a really reputable company actually. It's as if they've forgotten their website or something and they're just maybe using eBay now to do stuff. But anyone ordered for them, you're probably going to have problems. I mean, there was somebody in Trustpilot who ordered an electric bike at £3,500 or euros or whatever, and he had no sign of getting it. I think he got it. I think everybody eventually gets their things, but don't quote me on that. So that's what you've got to look out for if you're ordering from Hitbike Germany, who seem to be one of the few places that have parts that nobody else is selling anymore. You know, this part, there's very few selling this one, the one with the chain guard now, and it's as if Shimano have just done away with triple rings for road bikes completely, and with their new range, I don't think they have a triple ring at all for road bikes. Their new range is Shimano Qs. So if you're ordering from Hitbike Germany, I can't really give you any advice because I can't be sure about anything, but I finally got it once I raised a dispute on PayPal. I mean, they seem to have a good reputation on eBay, so maybe you should order their parts on eBay, but on the website it was cheaper, just a bit, say £10 or £15. This was about £96 or something, all in. On eBay it was about maybe 127 or something, but yeah, so it was worth going through the website, but I don't know, maybe go through PayPal for sure. Well, you have to, I think, on the website. I'll make a couple of other videos on this, of course, fitting it, and also another one about the Hitbike experience. I'll need to buy a derailleur, which is about £30 at the moment, and a 3-speed handlebar thing, so that's more money, but apart from that it's looking good now. It looks as if I'll be able to fit my pedal assist sensor, so it's looking good. Also, I still prefer triple ring anyway. I know that they're starting to put 12 speed at the back, maybe even 13 speed now, but I still prefer triple rings at the front, you know, as people call it, that small ring, the granny ring. I would even prefer 4 speed at the front, something like 26, 34, 42, 52 maybe even, something like that. But yeah, people have done the stats and shown that the compact, as they call them, the 2 speed, you can cover most of the things, but I'm not sure. I'm still happy with triple ring, but it's very hard to find them now, especially for road bike types. This one without the chain guard, I think you'll be able to get it in your own country probably. There's still quite a few of them available. The 3030 without chain guard, I think it is. But yeah, you'll struggle for this one with the chain guard. I think they do another 3-ring, but that doesn't have a small thing there, so it probably won't fit a pedal assist sensor. That's my opinion, you need to check on that. Alright guys, it's all over.